Buenos dias, amigos, amigas, from Ajijic-Another, Mexico. And I just, as I notice different things as I go on my walking videos. And I put up a lot of walking videos, but that one, that stone wall and home there, or whatever's back there, reminds me of, and a lot of these do, there's similar homes in San Miguel de Allende. And I remember that reminded me, because I've been asked quite a bit from people. By the way, I'm on Constitution. And this street will lead you all the way down to Central. Okay, anyway. It reminded me of when I lived on that Privada Street drive there. Only had about maybe 7 houses. Not even, maybe 6. And some of them were huge. But let's get this horse in action. Here's someone on a horse. I like hearing that clicking sound with the horseshoes. That is so cool. And, there's just, even here in Ajijic, here's beautiful homes as well. And it's very tranquilo. Muy tranquilo. And this neighborhood reminds me of some of especially that last block I was on, reminds me of the places in San Miguel de Allende. Now, I'm not trying to compare the two. I think they're both beautiful cities, but some things remind me of San Miguel as I travel through Ajijic. Beautiful homes here. I'm not sure. I think this house here would be considered LaFloresta, and these might be considered LaFloresta. I'm not sure, but you'll notice one thing. The sidewalks here aren't as treacherous, or aren't treacherous, rather. They're very good walks here. Very smooth walks. Maybe treacherous wasn't the right word. I would say I think they're a lot easier to walk on than the other sidewalks. And I'm not saying, I don't want to say that the other sidewalks are treacherous. That's probably the wrong word. But you got to be careful when you get into the Centro area more, and even other places too. You're going to find little dips. And a lot of videos, I'm going to tell you, they're not going to tell you about some of these walks. And I think it's important to know. Now, here's another stone house. I love these stone houses too that are built like this. Very grand homes. Here's a dog here. Look at this. Wow. Boy, I could dig having my coffee right up there. My morning coffee. Okay, I'm gonna walk you past an Airbnb that I had when the first time I came to Ajijic. I never booked an Airbnb without seeing it. A lot of beautiful Volkswagens. I even considered getting one, but the windshield wipers, I don't know how they work, if they work as well as some of the older VWs. It's because we get rainy seasons here, and when I get a car down here, I have a car up in the US, but I'm gonna buy a car down here too. And I wanna make sure I get one with good windshield wipers so I can. Now I know we're definitely not in the LaFloresta neighborhood. This is a beautiful Mexican neighborhood, predominantly a Mexican neighborhood here. But there are some foreigners who live here and make their permanent residence here. Okay, here's firewood. I bet he sells a lot. People from LaFloresta drive through here on their way back home. And I met actually a couple people who lived in this condo home complex here. I know some of these neighbors here because I lived just a few doors behind me. I stayed in an Airbnb for about 6 weeks. My first time here in Ajijic, a little more than 2 years ago. So, another walking tour here through the beautiful neighborhoods, and catch some of the videos I put up. I do walking tours in town, in Central, along the highway. I do walking tours, night videos, day videos, afternoon videos, morning, whatever. And I do quite a few walking tour videos, and I cover a lot of area. And I also get down to Chapala and do some walking tour videos. I think I'll venture into soon San Juan Costa or San Antonio again. I did some walking tours in San Antonio. And I'll cut this video here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to this channel, and this channel isn't monetized. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll keep trying to bring you guys more walking tour videos. If you want to see some of the walking tour videos, just go backtrack through this channel's history, and you'll find a lot of walking tour videos, as well as some other interesting videos. This is a great adventure being here, making these walking tours. Adios amigos, buenas tardes. It's now afternoon.